550 with the same prompt. Let's run it again. Let's see what we can get now, because that was very different on 600. So with the same prompt, but now, yeah, this one looks more similar. So 600 did change a lot. This one is similar, right? So the animation goes back to being very similar to the first one. And now if I change it to maybe, let's say 30, 530, if I like this animation, I just want to create a different image. And again, you can save this in here by pressing the download button. And let's see this one. Okay, so yeah, the animation, it looks very similar to the previous ones. Yep, so the seed can allow you to like create different variations of the image with the same prompt. But if you want to do something completely different, you will change the seed settings. And, this is just some small values, but this, many values available here for the seed. But if you remember the code, you can just copy this one and then change it up a bit, or just use the slider to slightly increase that little by little. So if I do something else here, 570, and do it one last time, right? If I want to generate something else, I haven't changed the prompt, it's the same prompt. Let's see. So is the GPU is not available because there's too many requests at the same time. It might be just queued. So it didn't give me this pop-up earlier, so we just have to wait and see what's the output here. Just give it a few seconds. And there we go. So here it did change a little bit. So I'm getting closer to the 600 again. So it's changing the animation a little bit. But around the 500, 530, 550 was giving me pretty much the same image. So also you have settings for the width, for the height, the guidance scale, number of inferences, steps in here as well. But this is how you can generate images, passing your own prompt and creating similar images by changing the seed setting in here.